From the Settings menu, select Remote Access. First, choose a Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect to the Internet. When successfully connected, you will have 2 green check marks here. Next, choose this drop-down menu. Then select a saved email address, or enter the desired recipient of the remote access session. You will see a 3rd green check mark here when the invite has been successfully delivered to the recipient. The recipient will receive this email, then they should click on this link and hit Connect. And that's it. We are now able to remotely access an iDig control box from anywhere in the world with an internet connection.